Welcome to Oriental Public School Preschool Learning Videos. Today we will learn all about the weather.
Which weather is this? Sunny. This is sunny weather. Which weather is this? Cloudy. It's cloudy weather. Do you know this one? Partly cloudy. This is partly cloudy. Which weather is this? Snowy. It's a snowy weather. Which weather is this? Rainy. It's rainy weather. Do you know this one? Stormy. This is stormy weather. Which weather is this? Windy. This is windy weather. Do you know this one? Tornado. It's a tornado. Which weather is this? Rainbow. This is a rainbow. Which weather is this? Thunder and lightning. It's a thunder and lightning weather. Do you know this one? Cold. It's a cold weather. Which weather is this? Hot. This is hot weather.
Hope you have learned all the weather signs and names. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.